j'ai pas fait semblant.
The other day, a friend borrowed me this fat bike, an Italian Vivo bike. It weighs 25 kilos and it has almost 1 meter in height. It's a folding bike. 6 speed gears. Front and back disc brakes. Front lights. Nylon tires. The battery is 36 volts. A maximum speed of 25 km per hour, and the frame is made of steel. Let's try it.
Courir, partir, venir, mourir. Courir, partir, venir et mourir. Écoute, chérie.
The first impression I got was the speed. 6 gear is not much. The weight and dimension of the tires does not help.
It's so damn slow. You don't feel the battery at all.
Even Lime scooters are faster.
Yes, sure. When you climb, you do feel the help of the battery. And it's very comfortable.
But one thing for sure, it is comfortable. 5 stars. The cobblestone feels like butter on this thing.
Je te dirai que je t'aime, qu'à présent t'es ma sirène. Je te dirai tout cela pour l'instant que toi.
The last test, to climb one of the hardest climbs in Lisbon.
Which is Elevador da Glória. This one. Am I going to be able to do it? This bike will be able to? Let's find out. With some effort, you feel the battery actually helps you a little bit, but not enough. If they knew. Et voilà.
I was eating in this square when I've noticed.
That skater over there is a famous Portuguese rapper called Miguel Luz.
He's got almost 500,000 subscribers on YouTube and a bright future ahead.
É pesadíssimo, eu sei.
Caguei no skate, agora sou biker.
Tenho que pôr na mudança mais leve e rezar para que o apoio elétrico... É má, eu não gosto muito. Há umas bem melhores, mas pronto. Muito prazer, bom trabalho, continua tudo bom.
I also asked an American tourist to try it. She's a road cyclist and organized a charity event to support the fight against breast cancer in Florida. Nearly 600 cyclists and raised more than $35,000. Good one, Eve.
Feedback. Your feedback.
Okay, so easy up the climb. I accidentally shut it off when I was going up here, but it doesn't matter. I know how to pedal. It's easy. It's heavier, but the brakes are disc.
Would you use it in a city like Lisbon? Very hilly in some areas.
Yeah, you would have to.
So thank you very much.
No, thank you.
For your review.
I would not use this bike in Lisbon, but it might be good to ride along the beach or in a park.